So if you wish to add a video like this, and you could add multiple videos from YouTube or Vimeo on your WooCommerce single product page. And one thing you need to know that it only works for Elementor page builder, and it also works for the free version. Basically, you need to install a plugin called Shoplentor. Just go into plugins, add new. So add this plugin called Shoplentor by Has Themes, install it. And once you go into that, go into template builder and create a template for your WooCommerce page. So you cannot use it with like your theme WooCommerce page or anything. You need to create your own WooCommerce template or WooCommerce page with Elementor's page builder. And with Shoplentor, they actually do provide their own contents, so you could use the free Elementor version too, so with their own widget. So if I just go into my not this one, so my single product template that I've made, also you can make it around here. So just click add new and make a new template. I'll show what I've made. So you could see I've not made it around here, but I actually have made it with Elementor Pro because I have it. I made it with like theme builder, and then I added this widget in. So this widget called WL product video gallery. So just type WL video gallery, or just type video gallery, and then just add it around here wherever you want to place, create the template. And then the way you add the video is simple. So I'll show it for this one. I'll add this video. So if I go into this template, I will click edit products. In edit products, I will go and click on image. And if I scroll down, there's an option for video. I'll just place it and then update. And you could do it for multiple videos too. For example, in this one, you could see I have not done it for the front image, but I have done it for the gallery image. So while this one loads, I'll just show. And now if I reload it, you could see I actually have a video around here. And you could also change the size of this thing. So like you change what the height should be of this section. So like this, you could change the height. I'll keep it default right now. And you could check in this product. What I've done is I haven't added for the main image, but I've added in the background image. So well, I cannot click directly on it. So basically do the same stuff, just click on it and then add a video like this and add it into the product gallery, and basically it will show around here. And you will need to create a template, by the way. They do provide free templates. So if you actually go into this one, click add new and then sample design, you could actually select the free versions like this and then click save settings and then make one, and then basically just replace the image or whichever the widget around here is used with the product video gallery. And that's all. You could add any amount of videos that you want to your WooCommerce now.